Hey guys, and welcome to Best Reviews. Today we're going to take a look at 3 products everyone needs for their run. Running is one of the most popular activities in the world, and for a good reason. It's really simple to do, can be done anywhere, and requires little in the way of equipment in order to actually do it. That being said, there are a few products that everyone could use to have a better run overall. First, headphones. Who doesn't like a little music with their run? Headphones can provide a runner access to their favorite tunes, podcasts, news, and more. A big thing to consider when buying headphones is, what kind of headphones do you want? With wireless headphones, you don't have to worry about the wire getting caught on something. Although wireless headphones often do use Bluetooth and can drain your phone battery substantially. The most important thing to consider is to make sure you get headphones that fit you. So try out a few different styles and pairs until you come across one you like. And don't forget to set up your music and news before you run. Another helpful product? Fitness trackers. How are you supposed to go about a run without the sweet satisfaction of knowing exactly how far you ran and how many calories you burned? Fitness trackers have become increasingly popular as ways of monitoring one's health and wellness. They can record all kinds of different biometrics depending on the type, but most of all generally record your heart rate, the number of steps you've taken, and monitor the amount of time you spend exercising. Knowing your progress and tracking exactly how much you've improved can be vital information to know if you're looking to get a little bit more out of your run. The most important product needed for a good run is a good pair of running shoes. They're probably the one thing that is absolutely necessary when exercising. The right shoes can make all the difference, and so finding the right pair for you is an integral step towards having a better run. Shoes come in all different shapes and sizes, colors, and designs, but be sure to look out for shoes that are going to fit you and are comfortable. Investing in a good pair of shoes can end up paying off because the longer they last, the better chance you have of getting comfortable in them, and the better your runs and your feet will be. We know there's a bunch of other products out there that will help you when running, but we think that these are a great place to start if you're looking for products that will help improve your exercise regimen no matter what. Thanks guys for visiting us. Make sure to check us out online at bestreviews.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/bestreviews. Bye guys!